Hey guys, and welcome to another video. So today I have another review video. It is on the Makeup Revolution 5D mascara. Now everyone's going crazy about this mascara. I've had it for a little bit, it's just I haven't really had time to record this review. But this I bought for $5.99. It was on a save £2 offer, so it's usually $8.99. This apparently gives you 5-star length. Okay, 5-star length. Let me give you the light. Extreme extension effect, 5-star lift, lashes reach new heights, 5-star defined, super separation, wide eye look, 5-star stretch, out of this world impact, and 5-star volume, mega boost for lashes. So it's claiming a lot of different things. So let's hope it really works. It says here, lift and define 5D lash extra dimension mascara with hyaluronic hydration boost. That sounds great. Infused with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump lashes. Well, let's try it. I have this here in front of me. This was a good mascara. I like this mascara. This was the mascara by Revolution, the original that they came out with, and it was really good, and it was all the hype. It was great, but it didn't keep my curl too long. It would slowly go down after an hour or so. But initially, it was a good mascara. So let's try this baby out. Yeah, I got this from Superdrug. Oh, that's nice. It's a lot longer than the original, you would say. I'm going to curl my lashes because if I don't curl my lashes, you will not be able to see anything. There'll be no point putting on mascara. So I'm going to curl my lashes quickly with just a regular lash curler. So yeah, I'll do that off camera because it's a bit long in it. But let's get going. This is what the mascara looks like. I've seen a very similar one like this. I think this reminds me of a Rimmel mascara. I think it's called like extra something. Okay, so I've just about done as much as I could with my lashes. They're very rebellious. They don't listen to me much, but I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, so this is the first layer. At first glance, it actually looks really nice. And I really quite like the look of it so far. It's made my lashes separated. It looks cute. Let me go and do the other eye, and then I'm going to jump back and do another layer. Okay, this is one layer on both eyes, and I can already see my curl has deflated. So this is what it looks like, both eyes. I mean, at first glance, it looks really nice, but my curl has literally dropped from like up there to down there. Let me just do another layer on this eye and just see what it looks like. Right, so that's second layer. It has a really nice separation. Like, I'm not gonna lie to you, the separation's really cute. It doesn't clump. It looks really nice, but my curl, sis, the volume, oh, where? Let me do a second layer on this eye. This is actually supposed to be my best eye. You know, I'm not the only one that has, you know, a good eye and a bad eye. This is supposed to be my best eye because the lashes just work out a little better on this eye. I don't sleep on this side, so my lashes look a little bit better. But sis, where's the volume? I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm actually quite disappointed because their first mascara was really good. If you want to see the review I did on that, I can put that right up here. and it should pop up here. I'm very disappointed. Everyone was hyping it so much, and now look what it does to my lashes. Like, I know normal mascaras that aren't waterproof aren't going to work with my eyelashes, but I did the Sky High mascara review, and that wasn't waterproof, but that did somewhat justice to my eyelashes. But this, the curl is gone. I'm really disappointed. Because now looking at my eyelashes, this side don't even have a curl, like not one bit. The only thing that I really like about this mascara is that it doesn't clump and it really separates the lashes. Because if I look up right now, I feel like my lashes look nice and separated, and they don't look clumpy, and they look nice. But when I look straight, so if I look straight at you, I can see just from the mirror and looking at the monitor, this eyelash doesn't. This side has like no curl whatsoever. This has somewhat of a curl for some reason, but it's just deflated it. If you were to even see, and I bang on about this every single time, but if you see my L'Oreal X Fiber, this mascara review, you will see what the hell I'm talking about. Because do you know what? I'm going to show you right now, because I keep linking the video in the description. Let me remove this side of mascara, and I'll put this L'Oreal mascara on. This is my favorite mascara on earth. Now, maybe if they did a waterproof version, maybe this would do my eyelashes justice, but I have very straight, like super straight, dead straight lashes. I got them Asian dead straight lashes, but my lashes are a little bit long, and you know, you need a mascara to do them justice, and I think this one does. So let me remove this side mascara, and I'm going to apply this. I'm going to show you the difference, okay? I've removed the mascara, I've recurled it. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Extreme Resist X Fiber mascara. This is the waterproof one, step 1, step 2 side. Let me just show you what I'm talking about. When I say this mascara does me justice, now you can see what I'm talking about. Now, when I do mascara videos, this is what I expect from mascaras. This is the only mascara that makes my eyelashes look like this. Let me clean that up a little bit. So now you can see where I'm coming from. This is why I'm disappointed, because even the Sky High did a lot better than this one. I'm very disappointed. I'm really not going to lie to you. I was expecting a lot, because their first mascara was really good. But now look, just now, just me looking into the camera, I can see, like, although it does look hella messy, I'm sorry for the sloppy application, but you can see the difference in the mascaras. Now, I don't know how it looks to you on camera, but to me in person, this looks chef's kiss. So this eye is just how I used to look every day for when I went to work with my nice eyelashes. At least you can see my eyelashes. This one, so yeah, for me, not worth it whatsoever. I'm glad I bought it on an introductory offer, because I'd be a little bit annoyed buying it at £9 and it doesn't do anything, when you can basically get the Maybelline Sky High for the same price, and it actually does you somewhat of justice for your eyelashes. So for me, it's a no-go. Maybe I'll give it to someone, I don't know, this might work better on someone else's lashes. For me personally, I think if you have curled lashes already, then it will work. If you struggle to keep your eyelashes curled, or you don't have curled eyelashes and you have straight eyelashes, I don't think this might be the mascara for you. But if you have curled eyelashes, or eyelashes that are naturally just, you know, the lucky few of you that just have nice eyelashes, I think this will work. But for me, as you can see between the two, this one, barely anything there. This one is basically, if I do this, it's literally touching my eyelid. So, not for me. Really not for me. But I've heard a lot of good things about it. I've seen a lot of their before and afters, and it looks great on the models. Just for me, it's not worth it. So that's my review. If you want to see anything else, please let me know. Please do check out my other mascara videos. I had just done one on the Maybelline Sky High, which is a previous video to this one, but it's all up on this little corner here somewhere. I've probably put them on the little cards up there. So if you guys do want to see any more of that, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.